We have so much of bounty that has been given, and this little cardamom is going to give us all of this. I mean, don't go on the size, okay? Yeah, really don't go on the size. I mean, it's such a little thing, imagine. And in this, and those seeds are giving us all of this. Can you imagine that? This is what Mother Nature offers us. Yeah, we are the children of Mother Nature, and we have been gifted bounty by Mother Earth, and we really fail to recognize that we are so much consumed in everything that is superficial and artificial that we have forgotten what we were given. Yeah, so that's my passion, to just know what Mother Earth, what Mother Nature has given to us, and I want to really share it with you all.